Hello, my name is Piotr and I am the owner of AB Poland Travel. We are an incoming tour operator with 9 years of experience. We offer a wide selection of leisure activities such as day trips, city guided tours and fun multi-day packages around the country. If food and beverage is your thing, what about Polish food and vodka tasting? Or dance it up at a Polish folk dance show? For outdoor activities, we suggest some great kayak and bike tours. And if you believe the sky is the limit, I invite you to take part in our great helicopter or balloon flight. Are you a corporate client? We also manage incentive trips and team building. We are also a transportation company with our own fleet of different size vehicles. We provide airport transfers, VIP chauffeured transportation and coaches for the big organized groups around Poland and Europe. As there are so many aspects to Poland's history and culture, we work only with licensed, professional and experienced guides speaking any language and specializing in different subjects such as World War II, nature, art, music, communism or architecture. Our services are addressed to both independent travelers and travel agents. We'd like to share our passion for Poland with our guests and promote the wonders of the country around the world. We want our travelers to experience all the best that Poland has to offer. We are known for our flexible and individual approach to every customer's needs and interest, as well as their safety and comfort. So if you're planning to visit Poland, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We hope to become your single source contact for an amazing Poland experience. See you in Poland!